Hi, this is a great tool for updating, managing your projects for Instagram in one place. It's called the Instagram editor. So I'm using an iPhone, so I'm going to talk you through getting the Instagram editor. If you found value in this video, please like and subscribe at the end. To the top, go to the app library and type in app, and then go into the App Store. In the top, type in Instagram editor. Then download the editor. It may require your Face ID or for you to press a button on the side or whatever. Here I would allow it. So if you want to get started, just press the plus button at the bottom and start to create your own project. I'm going to show you something which you may find useful, you may not. So if I swipe up from the bottom, get rid of that. And then if I go to the apps search, type in there Instagram, you'll see the edit not coming up. So if I type in edit, you can see edits come up the top there in the search. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.